Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your FMB sketch online in Tamil Nadu. The Field Measurement Book, or FMB, is a vital land record document that provides detailed sketches of individual land plots, including their precise boundaries and dimensions. Utilizing the official Tamil Nadu e-services of Land Records portal, you can easily view this crucial information. This online platform makes verifying land details much more accessible and convenient for everyone. To begin, navigate to the official Tamil Nadu e-services portal at eServices, tn.gov.in. Once there, look for and click on the option labeled View Pata and FMB/Chitta/TSLR extract. You will then need to select your specific district from the drop-down menu. Following this, indicate whether your property is located in a rural or urban area. Finally, input essential property details such as the taluk, village, survey number, and any relevant subdivision number. Once you have submitted all the required property information, the system will display the FMB sketch directly on your screen. This sketch provides a clear, graphical representation of your land parcel, detailing its exact measurements, boundaries, and other critical survey information. You can carefully examine these details to understand your property's layout. Many users also find it helpful to download and print this digital map for their personal records or future reference. Accessing your FMB sketch online offers numerous benefits. It is invaluable for verifying land boundaries during property transactions, helping to prevent potential disputes. This information is also essential for any property development or planning activities you might undertake. While viewing the FMB sketch online is typically free of charge, obtaining an official, certified copy from the Tahsildar office may involve a small, nominal fee, usually around 2 rupees per page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.